All right, back here on Frank's Hornet. I've omitted a lot of the useless and open vacuum lines. Look at all this crap. It's ridiculous. Scotty pointed out before. Then there was this nonsense here, which goes here. So I just put a cap on that for now. This doesn't need emissions testing or anything right now. So we can omit stuff. This vacuum cap is gonna go to this vacuum port here on the carb. It's hard to see it. Sorry, my head's in the way. Let me get the light. Ugh. Oh, okay, it's down there. All right, it's down there. You can kind of see it just in the corner there. So that's gonna go on that titty, and then I'm gonna fire the car up after I take the PCV and have it ran to vacuum here on the back of the car, but like it's supposed to have. And then we will be going from there. Because the car is definitely a bit disorganized. See the smog pumps disconnected, belt-wise anyway. By the way, we need new belts. I know Frank said there might be one new belt in the trunk. I'm gonna go look. But if it's old, we'll just get you a replacement anyway. So I want to get all the rest of this vacuum nonsense taken care of, and then we will do a startup. All right, so we got our PCV hooked up correctly. Don't mind this, that's just a little excess hose. Everything else is capped or removed. So we're down to the bare essentials that we need. We've omitted pretty much every other vacuum leak. Of course, that goes to our air cleaner. That's our fresh air inlet, so that can hang out right there. I'm gonna give this thing a test start. I'm gonna move my light, obviously. I'm gonna put it up here on the hood. I'm gonna fire this baby up, and let's see if she runs better. In the car. Hey, no more falling. Well, it still falls on its ass a little bit, but you couldn't even do this prior. So I'm gonna let this baby get up to temp, and then maybe once it's warmed up, we'll do a little carb adjusting, check our timing, maybe adjust the choke too, and we'll go from there. But we're already better. Okay, we are up and running. We're getting it ready to go. See what we got. I'm gonna let it run. Still waiting to get up to temperature. Obviously, that's gonna be a minute. We definitely have no more vacuum leaks, hoses anyway, so there's an improvement. Let's check in here in a moment. All right. That's already better. I want to see what it'll do just putting it in gear. See what our issue is there. I'm also going to check and see, because it was shown when you put on the brake, especially. I know the master is supposed to be bad. We'll do that. I'm going to check and see if we have an issue here, if we have a bad booster, what's going on exactly. So I'm going to get in the car. Put on the brake. I love this car, by the way. Hold the brake tight. Alright. Sounds like absolute poo-poo. In here. Let's see if I give it throttle. Okay, before, it would have went whoop and just cut out doing that. So, definitely ahead of the game there. This definitely seems to be a master cylinder issue, like Frank told me. And remember he said he ordered one and it doesn't fit correctly. So I'm gonna look up the master and see if I can get it here. But I can't really go any further on the engine stuff until I get time to actually test drive. It's up to operating temp, or beginning to get up to operating temp anyway. So we are making progress. baby. Popped a little bit through the carb. So, before we go test driving, after we fix the brake situation, I am going to verify our timing, but we are light years ahead of where we were. Definitely needs a little timing adjustment, but we'll address that after we get the brakes handled. Let me go get a master.